Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Fastly CDN services, beginner guide step by step clearly. Locate the sign up or get started button on the homepage. Click on that button to proceed. You will be directed to a registration form. Fill out the required information, including your name, email address, and company details. Create a strong password for your account. After completing the form, review your information for accuracy. Then, click the Create Account or Sign Up button to continue. Next, check your email inbox for a confirmation email from Fastly. Open the email and click on the provided verification link. Once your email is verified, log in to your new Fastly account. Now, you'll be taken to the Fastly dashboard. Here, you can select your service plan based on your needs. Carefully review the features of each plan to ensure it meets your requirements. You will then proceed to the payment section. Enter your billing details, including credit card information and billing address. Review the payment details for accuracy. Once confirmed, click on Submit or Complete Purchase to finalize your subscription. After your payment is processed, you will receive a confirmation email. From the dashboard, you can start configuring your CDN settings. Utilize Fastly's resources and documentation to help with your setup. This will ensure you can effectively use your CDN services to enhance your website's performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.